Hi guys, it's me Mint002. We finally got our hands on the Mi A2, the Android One version of the Mi 6X, which is pretty similar and pretty much the same from specs to the form factor to everything, except that it doesn't have the red color which the 6X has and the Hatsune Miku edition. So with this said, this is just debut last July 24th in Spain, wherein this was warmly welcomed together with the Mi A2 Lite. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, so the box is pretty similar to that of the Mi A1, wherein it shows the it's a global version of this Mi 6X, so therefore it's supporting Android One as it's written here clearly. So we have the black version, okay, 4 gig RAM and 64 gig of ROM. Okay, so everything's the same. Okay, here's the unit. Pretty much same form factor. Okay, so 12 MP plus 20 MP dual camera at the back. Then of course it's powered by a 20 MP front camera, and it's sporting the Snapdragon 660 SoC. Okay, you can see the form factor, it's nothing changed from the 6X. Okay, so here's the unit. So okay, we have already booted this thing up, so we can see that everything's pretty much the same as the one in the Mi A2 Lite. Okay, so everything's Google here. So allow me to pull the film off this phone. So there you go, it's a better view. Okay, excuse me for a while. Okay, so as you can see, everything's Google here, so you can check the settings. Okay, system settings, you have Gboard on board, and you have Android 8.1.0. okay, about phone, it's a Mi A2. okay, you can see the kernel and the build number here, and nothing much to see. Okay, let's play around this phone. You can see that, yeah, it should be pretty good response. Okay, so let's see the manual mode. Okay, so manual mode, you can play on the ISO until 3200. Okay, the shutter, you can play until 32 seconds. The lens, you can switch lens. Okay, for the, I can check the settings. Dual camera watermark is present here, which is not on the A2 Lite. Okay, so picture quality is set to high. Okay, so I don't see any, basically it doesn't have the OIS, which is normally present in the flagship phones only. Okay, let's see the video settings. Okay, image stabilization, EIS is present. FHD, you can switch until UHD 4K for the recording time lapse. Okay, you can see here, you can select on the settings that you like. Okay, as for playing along with this phone, there's nothing really much to play on a vanilla Android unless it's a MIUI. Okay, so nothing much to play on this phone unless you fully customize it according to your need. That's why it's a Android one. Okay, so let's check what's inside the box. While we're at it, show you around the phone. So we have the USB-C here, then beneath it is the loudspeaker as well as the mic in. So I have the SIM card tray here, the infrared and the noise cancellation mic, as well as the volume rocker and the power button. At the back, dual camera, fingerprint scanner, and the Android One logo down there. Up front, we have the 20MP camera, which you can see here, and of course the home button is already on the screen. Okay, pretty much good unit. Okay, so let's just take a tour around what's inside. Okay, so it's a manual here, then it's a SIM ejector pin, and of course the 3.5mm audio jack adapter together with this little guy, jelly case, USB Type-C, and of course the charger. Okay, so let's try to open up the SIM card slot and see. Basically, it's a dual SIM. Of course, no SD card expansion since it's a Mi 6X series, unlike the A2 Lite. Okay, so I guess that's it for me. Stay tuned for my full review on MIUI forum. This is me, Mitch002. Thanks for watching.